To properly secure your Spectrum TV app on Xumo, it's crucial to understand the difference between signing out and deauthorizing. Signing out simply ends your current viewing session, clearing cached data and requiring a re-login. This is useful for temporary security, like when using a public device. However, it doesn't remove the device's access to your account. To completely remove a device's access, you must deauthorize it through your Spectrum account. Deauthorizing revokes the device's permission, preventing unauthorized use, especially important when selling or discarding a device. Think of signing out as closing the door and deauthorizing as changing the locks. Deauthorizing a device from your Spectrum account is straightforward. It requires access to your Spectrum account online. First, log into your Spectrum account via the Spectrum website or app. Then navigate to the My Account section, select TV, and find the Manage Devices option. Here, you'll see a list of devices currently authorized to access your Spectrum TV. Locate the device you want to remove. Select the Deauthorize option, often represented by a trash can icon. Confirm your decision, and the device will immediately lose access to your Spectrum TV app. For added security, especially after deauthorizing, consider changing your Spectrum account password. Keep in mind that most Spectrum plans limit the number of authorized devices.